Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm opening a 5 surprise Plushy Pets. This is series 2. I don't even think I ever saw a series 1, but this is my first time opening one of these. Let's see what's inside. Alright, let's see what's inside. So they don't wrap it at all. You just see the stuffy the second you open it. Got a little panda bear with pink ears, pink eyes. That's cute. Also came with, oh, I like that. My daughter had a baby bottle like that when she was younger and she thought it was the coolest thing ever. Hold it upside down and it dissolves. Then you flip it back over and there's milk in it. How cute. Also came with a matching holographic sticker. And a certificate, adoption certificate, and then the checklist. Let's see how many there are to collect. Oh, that's cute. I like the little toucan. There's 13 to collect. Sloth, kitty, axolotl, bunny, unicorn, giraffe. There's tons of them. Oh, and then there's a rare hedgehog one. Very cool. I know they also have like mini babies now. I have not seen those in store, but if I do, I'll definitely get one of those so we can check those out. But if you want to see me open more surprise toys, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.